uh, live webinar session on India First Robotics, which is organized by Franchise Apply. It's a great pleasure to be with you all and to discuss about this new business opportunity, which has been getting very good response from the market for the last 10 years. We have grown leaps and bounds in the last 10 years and have added a lot of products to our kitty with our experience and with our expertise. Friends, before we move ahead on this webinar, I will give you some information about our company, India First Robotics. Uh, so friends, we started India First Robotics in 2009. We have more than 11 years of experience in robotics and STEM education. I personally was in STEM education since 2005 when I was associated with a brand called as PTC from USA. And we were handling the STEM education program for PTC in India. And it gave us the right kind of inspiration where we understood that this STEM education is creating a lot of difference in the students' life, in the future life. It is helping them to understand the current situation. It is also helping them to understand the practical application of academics that they learn in the school. And that's how they get more interested in school education. So STEM education has been my forte since 2005. And after that, I did some research, and during that research, I found that robotics is going to be an upcoming era in India as well as in the world. And robotics education is going to be introduced in India in the near future in all the schools, like how, if you remember, IT education was introduced in the early 2000. So, this gave me an insight to the program, and this gave me an insight to robotics as well as STEM education. And we started robotics in 2009. We did a lot of research with these students, and we formulated a content wherein we offered this content to a lot of students, and we found that the students are very much interested in learning robotics because here they can create something of their own. They can make their own design, and they are very what do you call that, enthused and very motivated and inspired when they see their own creation. And it helps them to understand various aspects and concepts of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And it also further inspires and motivates them to join in the STEM related careers in their higher education. Friends, we created about 125, more than 125 training centers in India. We're present in more than 7 countries, in 11 states and 33 cities. Till now, we have trained more than 500,000 students. And these robot kits that we use to teach the students are designed indigenously. I have designed these kits myself, and we manufacture these kits ourselves. So we have our in-house R&D unit, which continuously keeps on improvising on the kits, and also bringing out more newer kits for the benefit of the student as well as our partners. So our mission here is to inspire and motivate students in STEM education, and also to build future engineers of India. Currently, everyone knows what is the status of engineering in India. Narayan Murthy as well as NASSCOM, the apex body of software companies in India, it has said that they have said that 96% of engineers are unemployable, and that's a very big and a huge statement. And that's where you and me, as educators or STEM educators, you and me come into the picture, wherein we need to inspire these kids at the school level so they become great engineers later on. Friends, we have been also appreciated by Mr. Narendra Modi, who was the Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2011, and also by the Education Minister, Mr. Ramanlal Vora. We did a lot of work in Gujarat in terms of skill development and training students, as well as conducting job fairs for the students over there. This is a chart where it shows that the countries where we are present. We're present in Australia, Germany, France, Kuwait, India. We are of course present with more than 125 centers, and USA as well. And recently we have opened in Kenya and Tanzania. This is me, founder of India First Robotics. These are key people of our team. We are a 35 people strong company. We organize India's biggest robotics competition, First Tech Challenge in India in 2017-18 and 18-19. These companies that you see, PTC, NRB Bearings, these are our sponsors. John Deere, Caterpillar, Qualcomm, STPI, etc. So a lot of companies, corporates, semi-government companies, government themselves, they come forward to sponsor such kind of events where students are getting a lot of value out of these events. We are also partners with Robotics India, which is promoted by a country called as Estonia. The Estonian government has introduced this robotics competition in India. Estonia country, which is near Russia, this is a 100% STEM educated country, and there are a lot of benefits that this country is providing for companies who are setting up businesses in Estonia. As a mission or as a contribution from their side to the society, they have initiated this competition, and we are their technical as well as marketing partners. We conduct this robotics competition in 18 cities across India, that is Pune, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, Delhi, Chandigarh, Jaipur, Ludhiana, Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Trivandrum, Kolkata, Guwahati, Indore, Bhopal, and Lucknow. So our partners participate from other cities also. They participate in these competitions along with their students. It's a very good platform where students are able to learn robotics, and they're also able to make different models, and they're able to compete with other students from different cities. So that gives them a platform where they are able to showcase their skills and their expertise. And that platform becomes a platform where it inspires them to build more robots. Friends, we also conduct India's biggest military robotics and AI competition along with Indian Army. The unit with which we conduct is College of Military Engineering, which is located in Pune. Here we conduct the competition based on military problems. Military has a lot of problems which can be solved through robotics and AI, and Indian military has invited general public to participate in this competition and make those problem statements, make models for those problem statements or solutions for those problem statements, wherein military would be then further using those prototypes into transferring them into the product and using themselves. So here, last year when we conducted this competition, the problem statement, there were two problem statements. One was grenade lobbing robot, where the robot had to be created, and another was to detect anti-national elements through AI, using AI. So both these competitions were conducted. We got a very good response, and students did very well in this competition. And they are now looking forward for more such competitions from the Indian military, which we will be bringing in this year as well. We are also associated with Science and Technology Park Pune, which is a part of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. We conduct various developments along with them, like COVID-19 diagnostic robots or food and medicine delivery robot with doctor interaction, and development of smart scan system for seamless entry. Now, during this COVID times, it is very important that we have these interactions with touchless concept, wherein we are developing these robots for them. We are also collaborated with Savitribai Phule Pune University. As you know, Pune University is one of the premier university in India. We are affiliated with their Department of Electronics and Science. We conduct faculty development programs as well as skill development programs for students, and we also provide internship for the students. Providing internship to the student is our main. We consider that this is our mission, because we are STEM educators, and students, when they are in college, they are deprived of a lot of practical knowledge. So companies like us, or people like us, if we come forward and provide them internship, the students will be able to learn practical knowledge, as well as for us the benefit is that we will get manpower at a very, very low cost, where we have to just pay for their travel and things like that. So it's really important that we all should provide internship to the students, and the students further become our ambassadors who go out in the market and talk good about us when they experience great things with you. And that also helps us in spreading word of mouth of our company. So these are various techniques that we are using. We have also established incubation and innovation center at SNDT Women's University in their Juhu campus in Mumbai. So this innovation center is spread across in about 2,000 square feet area at Usha Mittal Information Technology Engineering College campus, which is located in Juhu, Mumbai itself. Here, there are about 6,000 girls who have access to the future learning technologies, the industry projects, the research and development that we carry forward. So these girls are also made part of this R&D. They also are able to participate in product prototyping and product commercialization. We also facilitate startup facilitation activities, where if these girls would like to start their own startups, we would help them in starting this. So these are various activities that we conduct with a lot of universities, Indian military, and as you see, science and technology park. So this experience helps us to also further transform this experience or transfer this experience and expertise to our partners, who can further carry out such kind of activities in their local area. Uh, Friends, we are also building India's first robot museum at Gujarat in consortium with a company from Kochi. The name of the company is ESI. The budget for this robot museum is about 125 crores, out of which about 60 crores is for robots. So robots worth 60 crores are going to be displayed in this robot museum. Here we are building robots like self-driving cars, robo chef, robo waiters, robo guide, dancing robot, fighting robots, badminton playing robots, hockey playing robots, so on and so forth. There's a robo orchestra also in that, and there are a lot of about 200 robots we will be exhibiting over there. This is expected to start on 1st of January 2021, and about 3 million visitors, about 30 lakh people are expected to visit this place every year. We will be conducting the operation and maintenance for the next 5 years at this robot museum. So, friends, if you see the complete spread of work that our company, India First Robotics, is doing, it is a complete gamut of activities that we are doing, which nobody in India is doing currently. These are our partial clients. These clients, if you see, this is a mix of corporates. Here you can see corporates as well as universities over here: PTC, Tech Mahindra, NRB Bearings, GE, Fujitsu, Pubmatic, KPIT, TCS. We are developing a lot of content for TCS Ion for various robotics courses, which we will be jointly offering this program in India in the next about maybe starting from January onwards. This is more addition to it. Again, you can see a mix of universities and schools over here. So at a glance, friends, what we have seen is, we are building India's first robot museum. We are operating in about 7 countries. We have a lot of international partners. We conduct India's military robotics competition. We have our own R&D. We have trained more than 500,000 students. We provide international exposure to our students. We conduct India's biggest robotics competition. We have tie-ups with schools and colleges and universities. Uh, we develop these kits, robotic kits, indigenously. The design is also indigenous, as well as the manufacturing also is indigenous. And we have established robot innovation and incubation center. So, no company in India has done such kind of a varied work in robotics. And India First Robotics is the only company which is doing this kind of varied work. And this is all thanks to our team as our partners and the patrons that we have. And we thank them from the bottom of my heart. Friends, now we are also introducing new programs. So in this webinar, I'll be talking about these new programs. This is Invention Convention Worldwide, which is promoted by the Henry Ford in US. As you know, Mr. Henry Ford is the inventor of the Ford car, and there are umpteen number of inventions to his name. So there is a museum in US in Detroit by the name of the Henry Ford Museum, and they have started this program, Invention Convention Worldwide, where they believe that every student in the world can be a good inventor. They have something, some knowledge of their own, which if put to good use and if they are trained properly, they will be able to invent small things which will matter in the world. And and a lot of startups also could be initiated because of this activity. In US, they have been doing this. This is now spread across in about 12 to 15 countries across the world. We have brought this to India this year, and we'll be rolling out this program in the month of October. So here we will be teaching students in how to invent. So they will be inventing new products, and they will be then prototyping it, and then further marketing those products and producing those products and bringing them to the market. So this is how the invention convention would look like. Here you can see that there are different stalls which have been put up by students, and the red color t-shirts is worn by those students who are the presenters, and there are visitors who are visiting the students at their booth to understand their invention. So this invention will happen in every school and every city in the near future in India. So what is the program detail? This is a very flexible program, which is ideally 6 to 12 weeks, depending on the age of the student. This is a standard-based instruction program, which naturally highlights science and engineering practices. It is offered to K-12 category, that is KG to 12th standard category. It's a very flexible program and quite inexpensive. Here we are looking at community as well as the parent involvement. Once we train the student in invention education, the parents have to take active part in terms of identifying the problem, and then further, once they identify the problem, they will guide the student to come out with a solution. The student will also participate in terms of finding the solution, and once the solution is found, they will be then further making a prototype of that, testing it, and then maybe making changes to that prototype once they test it, and then bring out the final product. And once the final product is brought out or at the prototype level, they will be also showcasing it in the invention convention. So the student is getting recognition at the local level, regional level, national level, as well as at the global level. Now, what are the benefits to the student? Is that this is a student generated process. So the student identifies and student solve the problem. So that enhances his communication as well as research skills. And this is a real life opportunity given to the student to achieve something good for every one of us. This is also an opportunity for the student for bringing out his own original creativity and innovativeness. And it is also a chance to be recognized for their innovative talents. And this also further builds the skills that the employer is looking for. When the student goes out for a job or career later on, the skills which gets built up with the student due to this program are like innovation, problem solving, communication, and collaboration. This is exactly what the employers are looking for. So this is how the invention convention worldwide process will operate. You sign up as a city affiliate, your training and onboarding happens, you enroll schools and the students, you train them, and once you train them, they come out with the prototype, you announce a school level invention convention, and you conduct it over there in the school, collect the registration and the sponsorship fees, and your top 20 numbers, they further go to the regional level. Regional level, again, top 20% students will go to the national level. And then the top 5 students or top 5 entries will go to US and participate in the international invention convention and represent India over there. So if your team also happens to be in that 5 team, you also get a chance to go to US. So let's hope that you guys also get to go to US along with us. We are also now introducing these mobile robotics products, which are from Spain. There's a company called as Robotnik, and these are varied robotics products. So we want our partners to be solution providers in the manufacturing industry also. These products are mostly used in manufacturing industry, engineering industry, food processing, agriculture, as well as logistics. So, you also have a chance to participate using these robots and participate in the solution providing area. So you no longer remain like an educator, you also become a solution provider. We are also introducing this new STEM education program, wherein a company called as Pasco from USA we have collaborated with. There are these various programs which helps the students to conduct their experiments and effectively, and they are able to learn properly on that. There is a huge market in colleges as well as in schools for setting up these labs in physics, chemistry, biology. So here we are providing them with this complete curriculum in terms of setting up this lab, setting up the experiments, also training to their teachers, videos for students, videos for teachers, teaching material for students, and learning material for teaching material for teachers, and learning material for students. So here this will help the students to understand how to conduct this various experiments which will be conducted on world class equipments. So if you must have seen the equipments in the schools and colleges, those equipments are the same equipments which have been used from our time, and no new 21st century products or equipments are being introduced in the schools and colleges, whereas government is providing huge grants for setting up these labs. So taking a cue from that, we decided to offer these products over here in India. Already some products, some labs have already been set up in the South India, and that would prove a starting point for us, and it will help us to grow from here. There's a good margin available for everyone in this, and a huge business and a huge opportunity lies ahead of us. So now coming to the STEM and robotics business, many of you might be feeling, what is the need of STEM and robotics business? This is a skill, which the 21st century children needs to understand. They need to understand the requirements of the world. They need to also understand where the technology is moving and how to make best use of that technology for their career, or to do business for them. Now, the most important question is, who will teach them these skills? Can the school academics teach them? Can the teachers or the parents teach them? The answer is no. So that is where you and me come into picture, and we look at teaching them on various aspects of robotics. Now, when we teach them robotics and STEM education, what is it that exactly happens with them? Yes, once you teach them science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, they will learn. One, if you teach them robotics, they will learn, because students at that age, they're like a clean slate. You write anything on them, and it remains with them. But along with that technical knowledge, what exactly happens with them? The most important thing that happens with them is that they learn by doing. That is, they learn the activity based learning. They learn practical hands-on experience. They also learn the STEM concepts, and they can also check out those concepts in actual working in front of them. They also learn futuristic technology knowledge, the knowledge of mechanical, electrical, electronics, and information technology. They also become research oriented. They develop project based knowledge ability and problem solving ability. Okay, a lot of other life skills like creative thinking, innovative thinking, critical thinking, analytical thinking, so on and so forth. All these thinking skills, thinking ability, skills, and the leadership skills and pressure handling and discipline, all this gets developed within them by as a byproduct. You are not teaching actually them creative thinking or innovative thinking or critical thinking, but because what you are teaching them at that age, remains with them, and they, as a byproduct, they also learn these life skills. So these life skills are very important in their future life. You and me, we are adults, so we know the importance of all these skills. And we if we have a business, we look at this kind of skills in our employees. If we are working together, if we are working in a company, we look for these skills in our peers, our superiors, or our bosses, or our seniors. They look for these skills within us. And believe me, the one who has got all these skills, they are the most sought after people by today's employers or by today's industry. So this is what you are actually developing the child into. Now, the most important question is, why partner with India First Robotics? There are various reasons. We have the right kind of experience and the right expertise. We have in-house expertise. We have in-house R&D as well as content development team. We manufacture these robot kits ourselves. So we know that the right kind of robots for the students. Continuous research is going on development of new products. So you will also be looking forward for getting new and updated robot kits every time. We have the right kind of business experience. We are here in this robotics and STEM education for more than 10 years. I myself have more than 28 years of franchising experience. So I know what is the requirement of a partner. I know what they are looking for. I know their pains and their problem areas. So, we always work upon those pain areas and the problem areas, so that, this journey with India First Robotics is more as a fun, and you also get your dues, and you're also earning money out during this journey. We have expertise in franchising, marketing, sales, technical, robotics, and various technologies. Uh, we have the academic expertise. As you have seen, we have a lot of tie-ups with universities, engineering colleges, and schools, and we know their pain areas as well. So that's the reason we have been able to make so much of inroads in these universities and colleges and schools. So we address their pain areas as if we are one of them, and we tackle their academic issues also. We have developed extensive curriculum. This is the one of the best curriculum that you will see. A lot of partners have told us, when somebody signs up with us, it is not that they will directly give money. I understand that this is business, and everyone needs to understand whether I'm taking the right decision or not. So we have a lot of partners who have gone everywhere to all our competitors and then come to us, and then they have said that this is the best robot kits that we have seen. These are the best curriculum that we have seen, and this is the best staff that we have seen. So I want you also to take this kind of an experience where, if you're looking at entering in this business, do find out our competitors, do visit them, go to them, speak to them, check out everything, check out the robot kits, check out the teaching material, check out with the staff, understand how it is going to add value to your business. And later on you come to us and then check out with us. You will find that this is the best curriculum, best kit, and the best company that you will find in the market. Our robot kits are very advanced. We are using open source technology. I personally do not believe in any kind of a proprietary technology. Otherwise, we will be limiting the creativity and the innovative knowledge that we are trying to give to the student, and we will not be able to give them the open source platform where they will be able to add anything from their own knowledge or from outside also. So our technology is completely open source. We are using open source mild steel mechanical components, which means that you can add anything from outside into our robot kits. This is a completely mild steel mechanical component. We do not use any plastic. We do not use any plug and play kind of a material. If we have to teach engineers, or if you have to make engineers, we have to teach these kids in the same way that engineers are taught. So here they will actually see the bare electronics, the bare components, and they will be using that. We have not kept soldering as a part of our teaching activity for the school students, but when they grow up, maybe 8, 9 standard, they will learn soldering also. So this is the kind of kits that we are using. I'll show you the kits also. We have a very friendly and homely staff. Our support is very unique. We provide you 15 days technical training in Pune. We provide within that 15 days, we provide 3 days marketing training, and we also provide you on-site marketing as well as technical support in your city. So this is the only company which provides you on-site marketing and technical support in your city. And the reason is because I know that, even after we train you for 15 days or we give you marketing training for 3 days, you will still require some hand-holding and some support on your on your home turf. Where once you launch your business, you will need somebody to guide you in terms of how to move forward. I have faced these problems, and I know that my partners will also face this problem. So I have to be very effective in terms of giving you the start, because the start is very important. Once you start your business vehicle, then there is no looking back. So here you can see that we manufacture this 3D printed humanoid robot. We have that capability and ability and expertise to manufacture this 3D printed humanoid robot with artificial intelligence, chatbot, vision, and mechanical movements. So there are cameras in his eyes which will move whenever, and it will track you wherever you are moving. It has got a 3D camera for body tracking. It has got individual finger movements. There are 29 servo motors in this. It has got a PIR wake up sensor, and the jaw is also movable for speech synchronization. So this robot, we have sold this robot from at least 4 or 5 of them, and it has got very good market in the engineering colleges and universities also. So these are the kits that we manufacture. There's C bars and L bars that you see, the mild steel ones. These are designed and manufactured by us. Everything that you see over here, except the electronic components and the pliers and the wires, everything is manufactured by us, including the wheels, the Omni wheels, the regular wheels, as well as the gears. And there are about 5 different varieties of this kit that we manufacture. This is a completely modular design. You can design any shape, any kind out of using these kits. We are also into drones, so we teach these drones to our students. We have developed drones for agriculture applications, for surveillance applications, and for military applications as well. So we conduct professional trainings and workshops on drone technologies. 3D printing and additive manufacturing is another area which is a very upcoming area, and there is a lot of requirement of 3D printers now coming up in the market. So our team is also geared up in this, and we have trained a lot of students in 3D printing and additive manufacturing. IoT is another area where Internet of Things, where we have our own in-house development of these kits, where we have developed in-house kits ourselves, and we conduct trainings on IoT as well. We are also solution provider and system integrator for industrial automation solutions. We are distributors of Dobot. We are also system integrators of Epson Robotics and Panasonic Robotics. The courses that we conduct, these are the courses. If you see these courses range from 500 rupees onwards, 5,500, 6,500, and you can see these courses. If you send your name, mobile number, and email ID in the chat box, we will send you all these details on your email, which will help you to take an informed decision. So these are more courses. So total, if you see, there are about 20 courses that we are offering. And these courses, if you see the age group, this age group ranges from 6 years. The fourth column, you can see age group from 6 years to 22 years. 18 plus years. We also train professionals in this. So there are a lot of courses that we are teaching to the students. It's a variety of courses which we will train your trainers on. Now we have started with these online courses. So there are courses with hardware and there are courses without hardware. That is only software courses. So hardware courses is, once the student takes admission, we will courier that hardware to the student's end, and our trainer will teach the student using our online platform, and the student will have the hardware with them, and our trainer will guide them in terms of various practicals and concepts and things like that. So as if it is conducted physically. So there are various courses. We are still adding more courses to this online list. So talking about business opportunities, you have opportunities in setting up robotic labs, setting up IoT labs, AI, ML, DL. AI is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning lab setups, industrial automation and lab setups in various engineering colleges, science colleges, and universities, as well as in school. In school, you set up STEM robotic labs, and that's a very good business. You can conduct seminars and workshops on embedded and basics of robotics, advanced programming languages, AI, ML, DL, and vision robotics, and industrial robotics. These are more modules that we have on which you can conduct these programs: embedded design and development, drone design and development, bipedal robot design, Arduino development, PCB designing, Raspberry Pi development, Android application designing and development, chatbot designing and development, Internet of Things, Arduino programming, Python programming, computer vision, artificial intelligence, humanoid design and development, machine learning. So you can see that there is a wide variety of workshop modules that you can conduct when you join us. We have expertise in all this, and we will be transferring this expertise onto you. If your faculty does not have the expertise, our person, our engineer, our expert will conduct these technical programs for you. Industrial robot, 3D model designing, and 3D printing. So these are various reasons why you should join. We have talked about all this. This is just a summary of 21 reasons why you should join us. So I won't take your time by reading all this, but you have seen that what we are doing and what we have done. So that will help you in understanding, where we stand as a company and how we will make, a difference to your business. So these are more business opportunities, more, the same business opportunities that you talk. This is more in a structured manner, which you get as a, as a proposal. In the proposal that we send you, all this is mentioned in that proposal. So please post your name, mobile number, and your email ID. So we will be able to send you all this, and you will be able to have a look at it at your leisure time. So, there are two opportunities. One is school and engineering college. When you talk about school, it is after school or within school. When we talk about after school, it is either optional training in the school premises or training in your own center after the students leave the schools. When it is within school, then it is like a part co-curricular training or a co-curricular training, depending on the school's comfort level. For engineering college students training, there are two options. One is professional workshop trainings and projects of the students. So every student is now expected to do one mini project in the third year and one major project in the final year. So that is where you will come as an educator, you will come into the picture. As a robotics educator, you will come into a picture, wherein those students who wants to conduct projects, who wants to make projects on robotics, on AI, on IoT, on 3D printing, you will be able to help them in terms of training them and get them conduct the project, so that you will provide them with the material as well as the training. and that is where you will charge them. Mostly that the project size, I mean the project cost ranges from about 30,000 to about 80,000 rupees, depending on the student's interest level. And nowadays the interest level has increased a lot, wherein the students wants to make commercialized projects, and that is where we also give more importance for, because यहाँ से डेटा लिया, वहां से डेटा लिया और यहाँ डिस्प्ले किया, वो जमाना चला गया अभी, because our school kids are doing such great wonderful projects. So college students ko abhi to increase their levels, they have to do more of commercial projects. Even companies are also looking at, when these engineers they go for interview, first thing they will ask is, what project have you done. मोस्टली ये लोग बोलते हैं कि मेरे चाचा मर गया था, मेरा दादी मर गई थी, वगैरह वगैरह, तो लोग समझ जाते हैं कि इन्होंने बाहर से खरीद के लाया है. तो हम बेचते नहीं है प्रोजेक्ट. What we do is we train the students on these projects and we get these projects done from them. And this is what we speak to the school, I mean the college principals also, that we know that students have this kind of a problem where they go out and buy the project just submit करने के लिए, और आप लोग उसको मार्क दे देते हो. But in that bargain, what is happening is college का नाम खराब हो जाता है with the interviewer, with the company, क्योंकि कंपनी तो सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में पूछेगा, क्योंकि मतलब उसको तो यही देखना है कि स्टूडेंट में स्किल क्या है. तो स्किल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन तो सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट में ही हो सकता है, एकेडमिक्स तो हर एक का सेम ही होता है. तो यहाँ पे जब वो नहीं दिखा पाते हैं और जब ये ट्रिवियल रीजंस देते हैं, that time the company also understand that the level of the college is a problem, and that is where when you talk to the principal, the principal agrees कि ठीक है आप आओ यहाँ पे और आप हमको इसका solution दे दो. So this is a very good business opportunity, the projects of the college students. बाकी दूसरा जो lab setup का business है, again you can set up lab in schools and engineering colleges. Again lab setup में there are 2-3 options which we can discuss at length once we connect on the phone. So these are more options for basically for revenue generation. So now coming to the core point, the most important point, what is the investment? So what we have done is our investment till now, it was about 7 lakh rupees till COVID period. But now what we have done is we understand that the market is slow. It will take some time for the market to get onto its feet. Just today in the newspaper it is announced that the Serum Institute in Pune is coming out with the vaccine in 73 days. So that's a very good thing, that the timeline is already now defined for the vaccine to come out. And that vaccine is also going to be free, so सबको मिलने वाला है vaccine. So that has brought a lot of cheers in the market, and it will help us out in terms of planning the business. So it's about 2-3 months now that the business, the whole thing will start moving. Before that, we all as businessmen, we need to get ready on our feet, and we need to do the groundwork first and get our things ready. So what we have done is we have reduced the investment levels, and we have made 3 categories: level A, level B, and level C. This depends on the population of the place where you're doing. Again, the city ka jo level hai, usme farak padega. For example, like Nasik would come into B level, whereas Pune would come into A level. And if you're familiar with Maharashtra, there's let's say Malegaon would come into C level. So that way we have segregated the whole of India. So there are 2 investments from your side. One is the license fee, and 2 is the kits on which you will be training the students. So the franchisee license fee for 2 years, earlier it was for 1.5 year, but we made it for 2 years, and from 2 lakh we have reduced it to 1,50,000, and 1,50,000 we reduced to 1,10,000, and 1,25,000 we reduced to 85,000. Renewal is also mentioned over there in the column, third last column from the bottom. Now talking about the kits, these kits are the kits where you will give you'll be selling these kits. Earlier you saw the slide where it was mentioned courses with hardware and courses with software. So courses with hardware जो है उसमें यही kit लगने वाले हैं. तो these kits will be sold. So you don't have to worry about the inventory. So level A partner will buy kits worth 1,94,000. Level B will buy 1,34,000 and level C will buy 74,650. The royalty is mentioned in the column second last from the bottom. After 6 months, first 6 months, there is no royalty. So from the 7th month, there is a fixed royalty of 5,000, 4,000 and 3,000 on the level as per the level. So how much ever students you do, you have to pay only this amount. Of course, ये जो सारा जो investment है, ये this is without tax. So इसके ऊपर tax लगेगा. Now, looking at the business model and the ROI, the investment you saw, what investment you have to do. The whole revenue, if you look at and if you calculate this, we can discuss this slide in detail when we connect on one-on-one basis. So I will not go in detail with this slide, but here you can see that the number of students is mentioned over here and fee is mentioned here in the amount category, fee as well as the investment for the robotic lab vagara. And in the total revenue generated is mentioned. So the total revenue for category A is, let's say, 44 lakh rupees in the first year. Now, there would be a lot of apprehensions about it कि अरे इतना होगा नहीं होगा कैसे होगा. So I am saying 44 lakh नहीं होगा, इसका 50% तो होगा. अगर इसका 50% हम पकड़ते हैं तो it will be 22 lakhs. Okay, and your expenses will remain constant whether you do 44 or 22. Your expenses will remain constant. So I'm saying you do your total expense is 9 lakh rupees. So even if you do 22 lakh rupees ka business, 50% of what I've shown, and your expenses are same at 9 lakh, उसको 10 लाख पकड़ लेते हैं, फिर भी आपका net profit जो है वो 12 लाख आता है, which is about 1 lakh rupee per month. It's a net profit. This is a business model for ICW, the invention convention which I talked about. यहाँ पे what we have considered is about only 550 students, and उसके ऊपर ये business model है where you stand to earn about 24 lakh. यहाँ पे जो 10 लाख का जो expense पकड़ा हुआ है, उसमें से जो पहले जो 10 लाख का जो expense पकड़ा था पहले वाले slide में, most of the expenses are common. ट्रेनर कॉस्ट अलग होगा, बाकी स्टूडेंट एफिलिएट फी वगैरह अलग होगा, बाकी मोस्टली द एक्सपेंसेस विल बी कॉमन. तो यहाँ पे भी आपका एक्सपेंस में सेविंग हो सकता है, बट यू गेट एन एडिशनल रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम. ओके, नाउ इन दिस बिजनेस मॉडल, द अर्लियर ये जो रोबोटिक्स का मैंने आपको बिजनेस मॉडल दिखाया, इसमें आई हैव नॉट टॉक्ड अबाउट the Robotnik business as well as the PASCO business, जो STEM एजुकेशन का लैब्स का जो है, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजिकल लैब का है, साइंस लैब्स का है, वो उसके बारे में हमने बात ही नहीं किया है, तो वो आपके लिए एडिशनल होगा उसमें. Now I am going to give you another business model which is the most relevant business model at this point in time, where the schools are completely gone online. Okay, there are a lot of schools which are gone totally online. I mean, this year is totally online. Okay, WHO has also, I mean, the state governments and even the central government has also said that इसको ये साल को हम online ही रखेंगे, because school kids को वो लोग बाहर स्कूल में लाके वापस अगर COVID-19 का कुछ हुआ तो they don't want to take any risk, so they want to keep it completely online. So while they're doing currently online, they're using products like Zoom, or they're using products like Google Meet or Microsoft Meeting. But then they're not able to do the education management with that. But here, with this app that we have created, complete education management is possible. Okay, so there is an app for the admin, there is an app for student as well as for the teacher, and there is an app for the parent also. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? In this application, the teacher जैसे अभी ये इस मोबाइल में आप देख रहे हो, दिस कैन बी यूज्ड इन अ लैपटॉप और अ डेस्कटॉप ऑल्सो। यहाँ पे दिखाते समय आपको मोबाइल में दिखाया है, बट दिस कैन बी यूज्ड इन अ लैपटॉप और अ डेस्कटॉप ऑल्सो। तो यहाँ पे एज यू सी मिस्टर सचिन, ही इज अ टीचर। तो उस वन टीचर इज टीचिंग लेट्स से 3 सब्जेक्ट, साइंस, फिजिक्स एंड थर्मोफिजिक्स। तो यहाँ पे यू विल सी लेट्स से फिजिक्स में ही इज टीचिंग से 11A एंड ही इज गॉट 32 स्टूडेंट्स इन दिस। ओके, तो उसको एट अ ग्लांस मिलता है। जैसे वो इसको क्लिक करेगा, ही विल गो इन द डिटेल्स ऑफ दैट प्रोग्राम ऑफ हिज login, and he will see all this what is written over here. Down share organized course wise study material, create and submit assignments, online notice board, usage and performance analysis and personalized library। ये सारा उसको अपने लॉगिन में दिखेगा। इसके अलावा so which means that he can create his own assignment and he can submit those assignment to the students and he can receive those assignments. So he can set the deadlines, file attachments, role based training, education as well as analysis of that complete assignment। The course wise का होगा तो उसमें this course material he can keep it downloadable, uncompressed and reshareable। So there are a lot many things that they can do. Along with all this, they will also be able to conduct their online classes within the application। So हर application का, हर class का recording वहीं पे available होगा। So if I am a student and I want to attend, I have not attended the today's lecture conducted by Mr. Vinay Kuvar, so I can go back to my login and I can see the lecture conducted by Mr. Vinay Kuvar on India First Robotics franchisee and opportunities, and I can go through it later on umpteen number of times। Okay, these facilities are not available in Zoom or Zoom में recording होगा, but then दूसरों को जब तक भेजोगे नहीं तब तक नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे मुझे मेरे लॉगिन में ही मिल जाएगा। This is not available in any of these apps. These apps are basically video conferencing app, but here we are providing them with an app which is a video conferencing with live sessions and learning management system। This is a parenting app. My parent want to see my report, so my parent can see my performance report, also regular updates on class assignments, whether मेरे को क्लास असाइनमेंट आया है और मैंने उसको किया है या नहीं किया है, अटेम्प्ट किया है या नहीं किया है, कितना किया है, आधा किया है, पूरा किया है, 70% किया है, सारा दिखेगा। जो भी ऑनलाइन नोटिस बोर्ड पे मेरे टीचर्स मेरे लिए पोस्ट कर रहे हैं वो मेरे पेरेंट्स को दिखेगा। सो एवरीथिंग इज ट्रांसपेरेंट विद द पेरेंट्स। अगर एक पेरेंट के 2 बच्चे हैं, 2 से ज्यादा तो नहीं होते आजकल, लेकिन अगर 2 से ज्यादा भी है तो भी वो अलग अलग क्लास में होंगे, तो उनके अलग अलग प्रोफाइल्स भी उसके पास होंगे, वो पेरेंट के ऐप में होंगे। सो दिस इज अ कंप्लीट लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम विच टेक्स केयर ऑफ ऑल द स्टेक होल्डर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, स्कूल एज वेल एज द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। तो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स। ये अगर आपको सामने देखना है तो ये दिस वर्क्स ऑन एनी ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म। इट वर्क्स ऑन विंडोज, मैक एज वेल एज लिनक्स। इट वर्क्स ऑन desktop, laptop, mobile phone as well as tab। So this is one more opportunity that we have brought to our partners, so that they are able to make more revenue generation. They are able to connect with the schools and become solution providers। So friends, these are our contact details। My name is Vinay Kumar. I'm the founder director of India First Robotics, and my mobile number is 8446767555। My colleague Snehal Shete, her number is 8446630300। So if you have any questions, friends, I'm here to answer your questions, and I thank you for patiently listening to my webinar, and I hope we will be able to do business together very soon। Thank you so much। Please shoot your questions।
Thank you, Vinay sir. Thanks a lot for this wonderful business opportunity to our participants। Dear participants, आज हमने India's number 1 brand, India's number 1 robotics education brand, India's first robotics की business opportunity के बारे में मिस्टर विनय कुंवर का प्रेजेंटेशन देखा है, एंड वी होप कि आपको काफी अच्छा लगा है प्रेजेंटेशन। और अब आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है या क्वेरी है, आप इस ब्रांड के बारे में और इंफॉर्मेशन लेना चाहते हैं कि इसको कैसे ले सकते हैं, इसकी फ्रेंचाइजी का इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या है, कैसे ब्रांड की तरफ से सपोर्ट मिलेगा, इसकी फ्रेंचाइजी हम कहाँ स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, हर तरह के क्वेश्चन के आंसर आपको मिस्टर विनय कुमार देंगे। सो डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन। तो आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन है या क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाकर रेज हैंड पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं और मिस्टर विनय कुमार से बात कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप अपना क्वेश्चन चैट बॉक्स में ड्रॉप भी कर सकते हैं। ओके सर, वी हैव फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मिस्टर अनिल है जालंधर से।
हाँ
उनका
जी।
क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ मच स्पेस रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ओपन दिस फ्रेंचाइज।
सर अभी फिलहाल तो इतना ज्यादा जगह नहीं लगेगा आपको, क्योंकि बच्चे अभी तक आएंगे नहीं आपके आपके पास। अभी अगला एटलीस्ट 3 महीने, 3 से 4 महीने। So my suggestion is that you can start from your home or from any small premises if you have, and you can spread the business online. The schools are already open; they are open for all these discussions. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, lot of schools are looking at getting ready for the next session. So they are looking at setting up the robotic labs. They are also looking at the new the mobile app that I told you, I mean the learning management system that I told you about. They are looking at that, those kind of solutions. Plus, the schools are also looking at starting online robotics training. So when you have to start online robotics training, you need not have a center of your own at this point in time. But to answer the question straight, about 5 to 600 square feet is required when students come to you.